concepts that I just want to share. And this is of course our sample code. So the first thing I want to share basically is the JOption show confirmation dialog box. Here it is, this particular code. And then lastly, we have of course our counter. So we're going to try to work with both. Alright, so the first code on top, basically this JOption confirmation dialog box or confirm dialog box gives us two options, yes and no, and it basically looks something like this. And there's a dialog box that appears, and then there's basically a choice. So here we go. So it looks something like that. So notice of course that we have a yes and a no. That's the dialog box that basically appears. And then the second one, right here, CTR +1, and you'll notice that we have 3 of those right here. And you'll also notice, of course, the repetition. We have this particular code repeating itself, saying please press yes again, and of course please press yes again. And then it shows me you press yes. Now the CTR equals CTR +1, basically this is similar to or the same as CTR ++. So this is our counter. So if you guys remember the one with the for loop, this is our counter, or a much longer way of writing that formula. That would be CTR equals CTR +1. So there you have it. And if we run this particular code, so let's go ahead and run this and compile and then run it. So it's basically what that's going to do is basically try to count how many times we press yes. So here we go. I press yes, yes, and yes. I press yes 3 times. Press OK. If we run it again, let's count. I'm going to say yes, no, yes. And it counts how many times I pressed it. And there you go.